Looking for a part-time job that is great for international students and foreign workers? Start with this list of the 6 legit side hustles for international students in Canada. The stress that college students face often has to do with more than just taking classes and writing exams. Having enough money to pay your bills can also be a challenge. Thankfully, there are many online jobs for students you can do from any location in Canada and the United States as long as you have access to the internet. These legitimate work-from-home opportunities require little to no upfront investment and offer easy ways to earn extra cash. Best online jobs for students to earn money. An online job gives you the flexibility to work remotely and monetize your free time without leaving home. In addition to earning an income that makes college life fun, some online jobs also help you build skills you can turn into a career or transfer into your future employment. Number 1. Online tutoring. You can teach various subjects online to middle school, high school, and college students, including English as a second language, to kids abroad. This gig also includes tutoring from extracurricular things like fashion, music, art, social media, and more. Some companies require you to have a bachelor's degree, while others are okay with some teaching experience. Average pay: $20 per hour. Where to find work? VipKid, Check Tutors, QKids, WizAnd, and Tutor.com. Number 2. Proofreader. I used to do proofreading gigs as a college student, and it helped hone the writing skills I have today. If you easily catch grammatical or punctuation errors when reading, a freelance proofreading job could work for you. No previous experience is required. Caitlin Pyle earned $43,000 proofreading part-time, and her Proofreading Anywhere course is a must-take if you want to make some real money. As per Indeed.com, the average proofreading job pays $23.30 per hour. Average pay: $15 to $30 per hour. Where to find work? Freelancer, Fiverr, and Upwork. Number 3. Become a blogger. Blogging is an excellent way to earn passive income if you know what you are doing. Start a niche site and write about something you are passionate about. As your blog gains traction, you can monetize it using adverts and affiliate marketing. You can also sell an online course. I have written a detailed guide on how to start a blog from scratch in 6 easy steps. When you consider that your upfront costs are minimal, e.g. $3.95 per month for web hosting, there's no reason why you shouldn't start right now. Average pay varies up to $10,000 per month. Number 4. Social Media Manager. College students know all about living it up on social media. So why not turn that skill into a money-making business? Businesses are looking for individuals who can help them grow a following, post on social media, and answer questions from customers. Reach out to local businesses in your area and let them know how you can help them engage with customers to grow their brand. You can also use your own social media platform to provide other people's products and services. This is referred to as affiliate marketing. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. Average pay: $20 to $40 per hour. Where to find work? Local businesses on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Number 5. Create an online store with Shopify. Start an online e-commerce store where you can either sell your own products, for example arts and crafts, or simply act as a middleman between suppliers and the final customer. You can easily create a store using a platform like Shopify, where you have ready-made templates and tools to get your shop up and running within hours. The easiest way to get your store doing is to use dropshipping, which means you can sell physical items without keeping an inventory. After a customer makes the purchase, the third-party supplier ships the product to them directly, and you get paid. You can also sell on Etsy, Zazzle, and ThreadUp. Average pay varies. Where to find work? Shopify. Number 6. Data entry online jobs. Boring, I know. Online data entry jobs don't pay a lot of money, however, they remain popular as part-time jobs for students. The basic requirement is that you should have good typing skills and pay attention to details. Create a detailed profile on platforms such as Clickworker and Fiverr to find jobs. Average pay: $10 to $15 per hour. Where to find work? Clickworker, FlexJobs, Upwork, and Fiverr. You can also look into micro-freelancer. There are numerous tasks you can get paid to do on freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, including things that are outright weird. For example, you could earn $5 to $500 to do a voiceover, edit a video, write a resume, create a website, transcribe audio, and more. Online jobs and flexible remote jobs are the future if you're looking for a side hustles as an international student in Canada. As a student, you can start a couple of these gigs to make money during your spare time. Many of these online jobs do not require a ton of upfront investment or experience, which makes them doable even for college students.